boys and girls. Today's math lesson is counting collections of money. So it's counting a set of money. And a way to do that is to organize the money into the largest amount to the smallest amount and then count them that way and change your counting pattern when the coin changes. So I'll be showing you some of the magnetic money, and we're going to organize them from greatest to least and then count the sets. Here are some coins, and we want to put them in order from the greatest to the least. So I have the $50. You can read it right there. And then, let's see, I'm going to put it on this side. And so $50, then the quarter, then the dime, then the nickel, and last the penny. All right, so once you have the coins in order from greatest to least in value, now you can count it with the counting pattern. So this one goes 50, 75, 85, 90, 91. 91 cents. Here's another group of money. Let's put them in order from greatest to least. So these bigger ones are quarters. I can also read, it says $quarter. So we'll put them in order, and these are all the same. So remember our counting pattern for quarters? You go 25.50, 75 a dollar, 25.50, 75 a dollar. So let's count. 25, 50, 55, 60, 65. Now these were nickels, and it tells you right there that they are worth 5 cents. So we count by fives. Here's another set of money. So we go for the biggest amount, the greatest amount. We have our $50. Our next biggest amount is a quarter. Between these two, which one is the greatest amount? You were right if you said the nickel is worth 5. The penny's worth 1. So it goes nickel, then penny. So let's count this set using our skip counting. $50 starts with 50, 75, 80, 81. Now let's draw that on a piece of paper. Boys and girls, remember in morning meeting we would draw the money on the chalkboard. We do one set with the magnetic money and then we draw them. Well, that's what we're going to do. So we draw a bigger circle and we write 50. And I'm sorry, this is upside down. I will turn it your way when I'm done. The next coin is a quarter. So we draw a smaller circle and we put 25 in the middle. The next coin was a nickel. So we draw a smaller coin and write 5. And the last coin was a penny. And so a penny is about the same size as a nickel, and we put a 1 in it. So here we go. This is what your paper should look like. This is the same set of money. So let's count it again. 50, 75, 80, 81. And the way we write our answer is you can draw an answer box and we write 81, and the money symbol is like the letter C with a line through it for cents. So there's our answer, 81 cents. There's another set of money. All right, greatest coin goes first. So we have our $50 goes first. Okay, now what? Should I do this one? This one? This one? Yes. This one is a dime. Dimes are worth 10, so that comes next. So now we have 2 pennies and a nickel. The nickel goes next, and then the 2 pennies. So let's count this set of money. 50. Now change your counting patterns. Add 10 for the dime. 60. Change your counting pattern. Add 5 for the nickel. 65. Change your counting pattern, count by ones. 66, 67. Now let's write that on our paper. So for the first one, we want to draw a big circle, put 50 in the middle. Then we have a dime, draw a really tiny one, write 10 in the middle. A nickel is bigger than a dime, and a nickel's worth 5. And then we have 2 pennies. So we're going to draw 2 circles about the same size and put a 1 in them. So your paper should look like this. So let's count. Ready? 50, 60, 65, 66, 67. Our answer is 67 cents. 67 cents. Okay, boys and girls, please do your paper pencil practice pages for the math. There's no school tomorrow on Thursday, no school Good Friday, and no school next Monday. So you have plenty of time to practice counting sets of money. You could do the penny jar challenge again, this time grabbing a handful and putting the money in order from greatest to least and counting those sets. So I will see you next Tuesday for the second day of counting collections. We'll do some riddles on Tuesday and get ready for a math quiz next Tuesday. All right, until then, everyone stay safe and have a happy Easter, and I will see you next Tuesday.